Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is what I eat to build plant-based muscle. So if you're new to my channel, I've been eating a plant-based diet for about 11 years. I practice intermittent fasting and I enjoy fitness, calisthenics, working out. So this is what my channel is all about. So today I'm going to show you what I ate. I started out with a smoothie. This was at 1 p.m. after I had done a fasted workout. So I had 3 bananas, 2 cups of berries, 2 kale leaves, 1 cup of coconut water, and 3 dates. And again, I had this at 1 p.m. I did a workout at around 11 a.m. I did a full body strength training workout, and this is a great way to break the fast. The smoothie made about 1 liter, and it's super delicious, so I go ahead and try out this recipe. Let me know what you think about that. Then at about 2:30 p.m. I had a little snack. It was a bowl of grapes and pineapple. And then at 4 p.m. I had oatmeal. This had bananas, blueberries, walnuts, maple syrup, and almond milk. So really good combination on the oatmeal. Then I had dinner at 5:30 p.m. I had several things for dinner. I started off with a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apples, and dates. Then I had a couple slices of Dave's seeded bread. On one of the slices, I put peanut butter. The other one was jelly. And then I was still a little hungry, so I had an apple and I made a potato with a little ketchup. And that was what I had for the day. Now, make sure if you haven't checked this out, I have a plant-based recipe ebook. I have the link in the description box. It's meals I enjoy all year long to stay fit and healthy. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.